Vocabulary: cobra, forest, hunted, unhappy, shade, entail, peaceful, angry, rude, surprised, decided, climbed, unity, courage, poisonous, polite, arguments. Part A. Choose the right word for the given definitions. Question 1. Very big snake. The answer is cobra. 2. Not happy, feeling sad. That's unhappy. 3. Quiet and calm without fighting. Peaceful. 4. Bad or unkind way of speaking or behaving. That's rude. 5. Working together as one strong group. Working together as one strong group. That's unity. Part B. Choose the right definition for the word for the given word. Hunted, looked for animals to catch and eat. So the answer is B. Surprised, suddenly shocked or amazed. So the answer is A. Climbed means went up. So the answer is A. 4. Angry, feeling very upset and mad. Courage, being brave. So the answer is A. C. Tick if the sentence makes sense. Okay. 1A. Cobra is a small, friendly bird that sings sweetly. Cobra is not a bird. That's not right. Okay? Cobra is a big, poisonous snake. So that's the right answer. 2. We went for a walk in the quiet green forest. B. We went for a walk in the small forest inside our classroom. That's not possible. So the answer is A. 3A. The tiger hunted for food at night. B. The tiger hunted means it slept all night. That's wrong. So A is the correct answer. 4A. He felt unhappy after he got a beautiful new bicycle. B. He felt unhappy when his best friend moved away. So he can't feel unhappy when he got new bicycle, so wrong. So B is right. 5. We sat in the cool shade under the big tree. B. We sat in the hot shade under the bright sun. That's wrong. So 5A is the right answer. 6A. The family lived in a peaceful village with no noise or fights. B. The family lived in a peaceful village with full of loud arguments. That's wrong. So answer is A. 7. A. The man spoke in a rude way to his teacher. B. The man spoke in a rude and very polite way. So you can't have two, rude and polite. Okay, so the answer is A. 8. A. The children were surprised when they saw the magic show. B. The children were surprised when everything was normal as usual. So that's not right. So the answer is A. Surprise magic show. 9A. The monkey climbed quickly up the tall tree. B. The monkey climbed slowly down into the river. That's wrong. So the answer is 9A. 10A. The team showed great courage and won the difficult match. B. The team showed great courage by running away from the match. That's not right. So 10A. Let's read the story The King Cobra and the Ants. Long ago, a big king cobra lived in a green forest. He was very long and strong. He hunted for food at night and slept in the day. He lived in a small hole in an old tree. After some time, the cobra became very fat. It was hard for him to go in and out of the hole. It was hard for him to go in and out of the small hole. He felt unhappy. He said, I need a new home. Then he started to look for a new place. One day, the cobra saw a very big tree. It had many leaves and good shade. He was happy. This is my new home, he said. But at the bottom of the tree, there was a big ant hill. Many ants lived there. The ants worked together every day. They were happy and peaceful. The cobra became very angry. He went to the ant hill. He opened his hood and said in a loud, rude voice, I am the king of the forest. I do not want ants here. Go away now. If you do not go, I will kill all of you. The ants were surprised, but they were not afraid. They were strong together. They decided to fight for their home. Thousands of ants came out quickly. They climbed on the cobra's body and bit him everywhere. The cobra felt very bad pain. He shouted loudly. He tried to shake the ants off, but there were too many ants. He could not stop them. At last, the big snake went away fast. He was crying with pain. He never came back to that tree. The ants were very happy. They saved their home with unity and courage. They lived peacefully in their anthill again. Moral: Unity is strength. Even small animals can win against a big enemy if they work together. D. Choose the best answer A, B, C, or D. Question 1. Where did the king cobra live at the beginning of the story? In a river, in a dense forest, in a village, in a desert. So he lived in a dense forest. So the answer is B. 2. Why did the cobra want a new home? A. He was bored. B. He became very fat and could not go in and out of his small hole. C. His old home was broken. D. He wanted to live near water. So the correct answer is B. 3. What was at the bottom of the new big tree? A river, a big anthill, a small house, Many birds. So the answer is B. A big ant. Yeah. 4. How did the cobra speak to the ants? Kindly, rudely and angrily, politely, or quietly? Answer is B. Spoke rudely and angrily. 5. What did the cobra say he would do if the ants did not leave? Help them, kill all of them, become their friend, give them food. So the answer is B. Kill all of them. Question 6. How did the ants feel when the cobra threatened them? Very afraid, surprised but not afraid, happy, or sleepy? The answer is B. They were surprised but not afraid. 7. What did the ants do to the cobra? They ran away, they climbed on his body and bit him, they gave him food, they hid in the tree. The answer is B. They climbed on his body and bit him. 8. Why did the cobra run away? He felt terrible pain from the ants' bites. He felt tired. He liked the ants. He started because it started raining. So the answer is A. He felt terrible pain from the ants' bites. 9. What did the ants use to save their home? Money and weapons, unity and courage, fire, a big stone. Unity and courage. 10. What is the moral of the story? Big animals are always right. Never live in a tree. Unity is strength. Snakes are stronger than ants. The moral was unity is strength.